lake, surrounded by mountains, and we're hunting flathead. I don't usually have a lot of luck at this spot, but feeling a little lucky today, so give it a go. I'll be using soft plastics against these edges here, and hopefully we get something. Wow. Look at all those birds. That's crazy. All right, well, let's get a move on. I'm on flathead. I'm hungry. Oh yeah. First cast. Wow, this current is pumping. Last cast and we're gonna turn around. We'll do it again, but this time I'm gonna change the color of the lure, see if that makes a difference. Just in case you're interested, that's what I'm using. Slim Swims. Bang. If I was a fish, I'd eat that for sure. Drifting's not working, so we're gonna have to move spots, and hopefully we have better luck. Thinking about maybe parking the boat up on a beach somewhere, and then walking along the edge of the beach and hopefully catching a flathead. I'm getting hungry. Pulling right here. Super shallow. All right. There is a chance we can get stuck here because the tide's still going out, so let's find a deep spot. Let's have a quick walk, shall we? It's not my day today, is it? I don't know if I have the patience of a 2-year-old or I'm just unlucky today, but I thought maybe by now I would have caught something, even something small. But we'll keep going. Is one fish. That's it. That'll be enough for me. So we're gonna keep going. Oh no. Snag. Oh. Yes. Now that's a win. Right. Come on, fish. I can feel it.
Couple of marlin.
I wish. Snagglefish. Snag. Lost that hook. Throw the anchor and tie up again. I've retied. We got the anchor out now, which is slowing down our drift. All right, let's try again, shall we? I got something. I'm on something. Come on. Please, buddy, please, please. Yes. Yes. Come on. No, 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 no. Yes. Yes. That is what we came for. Oh. Cut it out. Oh yeah, that hook was not coming out. These are definitely my favorite fish to catch and my favorite fish to eat too. Clean this guy up and then we'll stick around at this spot. Maybe we can get another one, we'll see. Flatties in there. Now, even though we have caught him, it doesn't mean the video is over. We still got to get home and whip up a magical beer batter. We'll have a few more casts here before we head home and see if we can get another one. Oh yeah. Whoa. Hey buddy, calm down. Just get that hook out of you. Open wide. Buddy, buddy, buddy. Ah, he spiked me. That hook was pretty deep in him. Luckily we're keeping this guy because he probably wouldn't have made it. How good. Alright, let's get him in the esky. Now 2 of those flatties is more than enough for me and to share with my family, so we're going to get the boat back in, get home, cook up this beer batter. Let's go. He spiked me twice. Oh, still bleeding. That's right, I'm tough. Oh yeah. Let's head back. Wrong side. Oh, we run aground. Very shallow. Ow. Man, why is it such a mission just to get lunch? Whew. And we're back home. Now, I'm hungry and it's time for lunch. So, let's get what we need for this beer batter. This is all we need. Self-rising flour, beer, bicarb, curry powder, salt and pepper. Happening in there. Alright. And the secret ingredient, a little bit of patience. We're going to put this in the fridge for 30 minutes, and while this is cooling down, we'll wash the boat. Gotcha. Now that the fish is ready, we can start cooking this batter.
We need, I think, beer batter and fish.
We're burning? We're burning. Alright. Oh yeah. It's a bit messy. Oh, that's alright. Flip. If we can. Oh no.
Man, that's hot. That's good though.
And that's gonna wrap it up. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, because there's a lot more videos and a lot more cook-ups coming exactly like this one. Go. See ya.